Hello everyone. If you have edited a photo or opened a PDF, chances are you have used Adobe's tool. Adobe is one of the world's top software company, started way back in 1982 in the US and became famous for products like Photoshop, PDF, Premiere Pro and Illustrator. The company has offices in India as well, in Noida and Bangalore, and they hire freshers for both jobs and internships in tech, design and marketing roles. Just recently, they announced new AI features in tools like Photoshop and Illustrator at their big event, Adobe Max 2025, and they need fresh minds to drive this innovation forward. If you are someone who wants to work on creative and meaningful projects, Adobe could be a great place to grow your career. In the video, I will tell you how to apply, what the hiring process looks like, and share interview tips directly from people at Adobe. So stay tuned till the end and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Whether you are a BTech, BCom, BBA, BA, BSc, MBA or law graduate, Adobe has jobs for everyone across a wide range of departments. So if you have engineering or IT degree, then you can apply to jobs like software development, cloud, AI, ML testing at Adobe. Here is the full list for other profiles as well, like design or arts, business or marketing, finance or commerce, and mass communication or media. Adobe offers an average salary of rupees 13.5 lakh per annum for entry-level roles and rupees 29.3 lakh per annum for experienced roles. Company also offers various benefits mentioned on their website. So chaliye, without any further delays, let's see how you can apply for jobs at Adobe India. Adobe hires from various colleges in India, not just IIT IIMs, but many other colleges like SRM University, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Graphic Era University. On-campus drives के through Adobe primarily product और tech roles के लिए hire करता है. To participate in these drives, you should be pursuing BTech or MTech and should have scored at least 65% marks throughout your academics. Adobe India का campus hiring process typically 3 stages में होता है. The first stage is an online assessment test that lasts about 2.5 hours. It consists of 3 sections. Aptitude test जिसमें 40 to 60 MCQ questions होते हैं based on quantitative reasoning, logical reasoning and verbal ability. Computer fundamental test जिसमें 10 to 15 questions होते हैं based on important concepts like operating system, data structure, DBMS and more. Coding test जिसमें 3 to 8 coding problems दी जाती हैं and you have to write codes and algorithm as per your language of choice. Then to evaluate your technical skills and problem solving ability, Adobe conducts 3 to 4 rounds of technical interviews, each lasting for about 40 to 60 minutes. The questions in this round will revolve around your past projects that you have worked on, computer science fundamentals like operating system, OOPS, data structure like array, string and graphs, DBMS, dynamic programming and more. Then the last phase of the process is an HR interview. इसमें आपकी कल्चरल फिटनेस, करियर गोल्स को चेक किया जाता है. अगर Adobe आपके कॉलेज में विजिट नहीं करती है, then also there is chance where you can apply for these roles. आप इजीली उनके करियर पोर्टल के थ्रू जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर एंट्री लेवल रोल्स और एक्सपीरियंस रोल्स के साथ साथ इंटर्नशिप्स भी लिस्टेड होती हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड जॉब्स एंड इंटर्नशिप एट Adobe India on Internshala. I have added the links to a few jobs that are currently available on the platform in the description box below. To apply for Adobe jobs via Internshala, you have to register on the portal and create a resume by adding your personal details, educational qualification, your past internship or work experience, your skill and certification and more. Then you have to search for Adobe on Internshala and click on apply now. This will redirect you to an application form and you can fill out the form and apply to the jobs at Adobe India. So now let's talk about recruitment process at Adobe in detail. Whether you are applying via Internshala or Adobe's career page, the hiring process involves 6 rounds. So let me explain you each round in detail and how you can prepare for them. To apply for jobs at Adobe, सबसे पहले आपको एक ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म सबमिट करना होगा जिससे हायरिंग टीम को आपके एक्सपीरियंस और करियर एस्पिरेशन के बारे में पता चलेगा. So application stage पर you will have to upload your resume. You can also apply via your LinkedIn profile जहां से आपका resume auto fetch हो जाएगा. But if you choose LinkedIn, make sure कि आपके सारे डिटेल्स, स्किल्स, एक्सपीरियंस वहां अपडेटेड होने चाहिए. योर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक नेम, कंट्री, एड्रेस, ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर एंड मोर. योर प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस, बी इट प्रोजेक्ट्स, इंटर्नशिप्स और वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. अब अगर आपके स्किल्स और एक्सपीरियंस रोल के साथ अलाइन करते हैं, देन द HR विल कॉन्टेक्ट यू फॉर एन इंट्रोडक्टरी फोन इंटरव्यू. द इंटरव्यूअर विल आस्क यू अबाउट योर क्वालिफिकेशन, एक्सपीरियंसेस, प्रोजेक्ट्स, मोटिवेशन फॉर द रोल. दिस इंटरव्यू इज ऑल्सो एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू टू लर्न मोर अबाउट द रोल, द टीम और द कंपनी इन जनरल. इस स्टेज पर आप इंटरव्यू से नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स के बारे में भी पूछ सकते हैं. And if you do well in the introductory call, the next stage will be an interview with the hiring manager. इस स्टेज पर आपकी जॉब स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज और स्किल्स को टेस्ट किया जाएगा. So whichever role you are applying for, make sure you have a thorough understanding of the key topics. Depending on the role you are interviewing for, you may receive a take-home assessment like a role play, coding or content writing assignment. ये assignment आपके job specific skills को evaluate करने के लिए है. Plus, they will give you a better idea of what the role would look like. The last step of hiring process is a face-to-face interview, जिसका purpose will be to get a deeper understanding of your professional experience and talents. Depending on the role you have applied for and the seniority, this can either be an interview with the director or a senior partner, or it can be a behavioral interview. And if you clear the interview rounds, you will receive an offer letter. Then the company will run background checks to verify your educational qualification and work experience. If everything is in order, you will receive an offer letter over email. So make sure you acknowledge this email and confirm that you will be joining. Full-time jobs के साथ साथ Adobe India also provides incredible internship opportunities, offering stipend as high as 1 lakh per month. Primarily, Adobe offers 3 internship programs: research internships for PhD students, professional development for MBAs, and sales internships. And similar to full-time roles, Adobe hires interns also through 3 channels: on-campus, off-campus, and via Internshala. So we have added all the relevant links in the description box below where you can check them. There are few more links on tips to land a job at Adobe, which Adobe itself has published on their website. So I will recommend you to go through those tips so that you have better understanding of their hiring process. So ये था complete guide on how to get a job at Adobe India. So if you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell us in the comments which company we should cover next. Till then, all the best.